I'm the sales manager, Kelly, from Richpeace, and now we are in 2017 CISMA exhibition. Here we would like to introduce a new machine for our Richpeace. That is Richpeace dual color automatic pocket sorter. And for this machine, we usually make it the pocket or the jeans. Also, we can do the pocket or t-shirts is also okay. And here we would like to see the machine structure. This one's the frame. We put the pocket here, and then it will automatically to press here. As we can see, there are two heads which has a color. For these two heads, it can work together. Also, when you need, it can also work independently. The speed of this machine is about 1015 per minute. As we can see, it will express this pocket to here automatically, and this is the machine. And welcome to our Richpeace. Thank you very much.